Hey YouTube, jackduup an update about the carburetor fuel pump. I got a kit in, of course it was the wrong one, but I ordered another one a while ago, so my mom's taking me over to see if it's in today. But while I was waiting, I drilled all the holes to the frame and started mounting my push bar right there. These go on either side of the frame. Right there's the hood, and most of it's welded up. They're not too pretty looking though, but yeah, I'm gonna see. This one right here needs welded up. I'll see if I can get a video of me welding, and I don't know if I'll be able to. I don't have the tripod out here. There. Alright. Let's see here. Alright, here we go. I don't have much stick left either, so. Alright, so right there's that. So just a little update. I'm going over to lawn place. Hopefully they'll have it in finally, but that's about all I've done. And then this right here's some real thick angle. It's two pieces of angle welded together, but you can see how thick that is. But I think I'm going to try and make a back bumper, cut that up and make a back bumper out of it. Right there. But there's just a little update.